Hello everybody. This Barbie Extra is a Barbie Extra, one of the first ones, and she's like one of the special ones with many extra accessories. So I finally got her, and she is so beautiful to me. She's so beautiful. I really think that she looks so beautiful. She looks like I get this like Darryl Hannah from Splash vibes. if you've seen Splash, it's the mermaid movie from 1985 or something with Darryl Hannah and Tom Hanks. It was one of my favorite movies when I was a kid. So. It's like a thermos. Look, it's the can bag. I'm really happy I didn't damage the hair, because look at her hair. It's so beautiful. Oh my! I really like her. I saw that some doll collectors said on YouTube that people don't like this doll, but I do absolutely love this doll. She's so beautiful. It's a pink cape, pink fur cape. Purple necklace, a white Barbie belt. Yes, I guess these are like rings or something. Heart, watch. Oh, you can take this one, loose if you want, so you can combine it different ways. Glasses is girl boss. Okay, girl boss. Okay, but there's no. Okay, well. Okay. I really like this one. It's cool. These shoes are like a classic Barbie shoe, but it has the bow here, so it differs from the copies, the bootleg shoes, and like the old ones. But so that's the difference. They have like this ribbon on them. It's like a headband or necklace. This headband. This one is okay, and this is like a beautiful bow. It's a necklace. Okay, so we're going. I think it's like a pug or something. So cute. Okay, I really like this doll and I hope you liked the video. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.